Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Screencast O Matic app so that you can use it to show how to edit and explain how to edit a smartboard lesson to add the three media sources that we've talked about. Those are going to be the link, the video, or the image. So I'm going to teach you the basics of Screencast-O-Matic. You can use another app, but it will be based upon you researching and using one on your own. So I'm going to show you how to use Screencast-O-Matic. Of course, here it is on my screen, but most of you probably don't have it. So I'm going to show you how you can go and Google it and launch it from your computer. So when you get to Google, you're just going to type in Screencast-O-Matic. I'm going to scroll down. Here you will see where it's screencast-o-matic.com, and you can just click on the free screen recorder. This will come up where it'll say launch free recorder or upgrade recorder, which would be one of the plans that you would have to pay money for. For this purpose, we only need the launch free. So we're going to go click that launch free recorder. When you click that, this will pop up. This is what would have popped up if you were to click the app on the desktop. So here, you can choose whether you want to record just the screen, whether you want to do the webcam, or whether you want to do both the screen and a webcam, which gives you the option to show your face at the bottom of the screen and the screen, or you could do either or. So for this purpose, we're going to just do the screen. The maximum time that you have with this free recorder launcher is 15 minutes, but if you want a longer time, which for this assignment you will not need that amount of time, you can upgrade. It's 720 pixels. It's very important, especially when you're using a microphone, an external mic, to make sure that you see the green bars, so that lets you know that it is connected and it is working properly. And then the computer audio is a part of one of the upgraded features, which you don't really need for this, but that would let your computer audio play with your screen recording as well, but we do not need that for that. So in order to get started, all we need to do is click whether you want screen, webcam, or both, and then you're going to click record, and it will count you down. And when it says go, it will be ready and it will start recording. To stop your recording, you can see right here, there is a little pause button. When you click that pause button, it is going to let you play what you have done so that you can try it out. And then if you don't like it, you can press the garbage can and it will ask you whether you want to start over. You can say yes, and if no, you can say no. If you say yes, it will start it over and take you back to the beginning where you can press record again. And that is how you screen record using Screencast-O-Matic.